This tutorial will teach you about chart of accounts within uLawPractice. To look at the chart of accounts in uLawPractice, you click on the Accounts tab. uLaw by default provides you basic chart of accounts. The chart of accounts are categorized as assets, liabilities, capital, revenue, and expenses. Everything that you do in the matter will be recorded against each of these type of accounts based on what kind of event you actually trigger. For example, if you deposit a retainer, it'll be debited into your bank in trust balance. Similarly, that same amount will be credited into what we call trust amount clients. So similarly, every action, even if you record an expense or generate an invoice, it'll actually be recorded as a double entry in one of these chart of accounts. So let's get into the details of seeing what each of these chart of accounts have. In assets, you have your trust accounts, your bank accounts, cash, and receivables. Account receivable is a very primary and important account. In liabilities, some of the important accounts that you have are accounts payable and trust amount clients. Similarly, in capital, you have capital accounts. In revenue, we have legal work. This is the category under which your matter revenue will be accounted for. And last, we have expenses, which can be either client expenses or office expenses or office incurred charges. So to summarize, chart of accounts are assets, liabilities, capital, revenue, and finally expenses.